Here's how to use your RobKellerMD affiliate coupon code. When you become an affiliate, you receive a welcome email with your affiliate coupon code. So here's my email with my affiliate coupon code. Every affiliate has their own unique code. The email will give you all the details and explain everything to you, but I'm going to show you how easy it is to use. So you can give this code to as many people as you want. They can save on their first order with RobKellerMD. But here is your link. Your link will be embedded in the email. Take that link, copy and paste it into a text or an email, and share it with friends, family, and interested customers. Include your own story or testimonial. When they receive the email or text from you, they'll click on the link. They'll come to the RobKellerMD website. At the very top, it'll say, write down my coupon code. And there they go. They can continue to shop. So let's just go to OGF, which comes up first here. They can shop now. This is the OGF page. Gives you all the options for purchasing. There's a single ship order, an auto ship order, and a quarterly auto ship. I'm going to click on the auto ship. So what's popped up is a free glutathione ebook. This is available to all customers, but it's also available on our website at any time. Okay, we'll go back to the auto ship. We will add that to the cart. Okay, so they get to the shopping cart. They're ready to check out. Right below their order is where they're going to enter your coupon code and click apply. This will allow them to save $20 off their first bottle of OGF, and you receive a 20% commission for this order and all future orders. Here's where they fill in all their shipping and billing information. At the very bottom, they do need to click accept all terms and conditions, and then they complete their order. That's how easy it is to use your RobKellerMD affiliate coupon code. If you need any assistance, call us in the office at 954-635-5899. Thank you.